Did you know that one man turned down $2 million to save 20 families from losing their homes? Meet James, a property owner who owned an apartment building in a neighborhood that was changing fast. Rich developers wanted to buy his building and kick out all the low-income families living there. They offered him $2 million, but James said no. The city made his property taxes go way up to force him out. His own family begged him to sell because they needed money for medical bills. James watched all the buildings around him turn into fancy condos. He spent all his savings on lawyers and fixing his building. The city even threatened to take his building away, claiming it had safety problems. But James had a brilliant idea. He worked with his tenants to turn the building into a cooperative. The residents helped fix things themselves and became part owners. Their success inspired new laws protecting affordable housing across the whole city. James became the community development director, proving that doing the right thing can change everything.